Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can screen record in OBS Studio. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, we will come over and open OBS Studio. You can see I am already opened this app. And then here you just need to come over file option over here, click on that, and then click on settings. So before showing you start recording, first I am going to show you how you're going to save the settings. So first come over general section, select the language, any of your preferable language. So I'm selecting only English over here, and then going for this update channel, click on that, and leave it like as default. And then we will now going for output over here, not appearance, not stream, just go for output. And after that, here you will apply the output mode would be simple. And then if you want to the video bitrate, you can do your own bitrate if you want. And then you need to come over for this encoder preset, so click on that, and I will going to leave it as a very fast default medium CPU with a standard quality. Just leave it as the default as it is, and then the audio encoder will be AAC default. And after that, coming to recording section, you will find the recording path. If you want to change the recording path, then click on browse and then select your own folder and click select folder. And then if you come over recording quality, then I will going to select this, and I will going to select high quality and medium file size, and then leave all that same as it is. And after that we'll go for the audio section. And here if you want to change the sample rate over here, you can choose, but I will leave it as it is. And if you want to change the channel stereo, then I will like to save it as stereo. And if you want to desktop audio, select it and going to select the speaker context. And if you want to leave it as default or speaker, you can do it, but I will go for that. So I will going to select this speaker's context, IST audio. And after that, here is the mic section, where you talk. So for that, you just need to click on that, and you just need to select the internal microphone, click on that. And after that, come over the meter section. So if you want to decay the rate, you can do, but I will leave it as fast. And if you want to select the advanced section, you can do it, but I will leave it as it is. So now we will go for the video section. And here it is very important that which canvas do you want to save or record your video. So you can see that I'm talking about this canvas. So for that, I will be choosing 1920 multiply 1080. So if you want to change it any of your ratio, then you can do it, but I will keep the frame rate in 60 fps. That will help boost my video quality more advanced. And if you don't know what fps is, that I'm saying fps means frame per second in the video. And after that, you just need to come over advanced section, and if you want to change any of this, you can do, but I will leave it as it is. And I will going to scroll down at the end and keep everything at like this. So I will move it little bit upper, and you can see at the bottom side there is an option called apply. So if you click on apply and then click OK, and your settings is applied into your OBS Studio. And now I'm going to show you how you're going to start your screen recording. For that, if you come over to the source section and click on this plus button icon, and here you will find the option called display capture. So if you click on that and click OK, and you can see that our capturing video is starting. So click on OK. So you can see that the video screen record is now centered. And if you now click on start recording on the right side, you can see the recording is started right now. So if you close it, not a problem. So it will be saved where we select the path. So for that, if I go for the path that we selected in the document section, you can see that the file is over here. You can see, so if we click on that for the open, and you can see that that what we recorded, that is saved into our file path that we selected for our video recording path. So this is how you can screen record into OBS Studio. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.